Waxing has evolved a lot over time, and today we're exploring a modern vegan-inspired formula in action. Traditional waxes have been used for years, but newer blends are changing how we think about performance. In this video, we're testing how this wax behaves under real application conditions. We observe heat response, texture, and application behavior step by step. One key factor is how well the wax maintains grip without breaking too early. A good formula should feel controlled during application and comfortable on removal. Modern wax blends often use engineered polymers designed for flexibility and stability. Consistency plays a big role in how evenly the wax spreads across the surface. Some formulas stay flexible, while others become stiff under changing temperatures. We also observe how the wax responds as it heats up. Stable temperature behavior helps maintain a smooth application experience. A thinner application can help improve control and reduce product waste. Now we test how it performs under removal conditions. Here we observe how effectively the wax holds onto fine and coarse strands. A smooth pull indicates balanced grip and controlled release. Beyond performance, we also consider how it interacts with the surface layer. Some formulations aim to reduce dryness during the process. Different formulas may offer different benefits depending on skin type and use case. After testing, we can compare how each approach performs in real conditions. Overall, modern wax blends offer an interesting alternative worth exploring further.